Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy. I thought I'd let you in on a new update that Google Drive has kind of snuck in there on you. That is for Team Drives. So for those of you that are using Team Drives, if you look to the upper left of our screen, you're going to notice that in that navigation it is now called Shared Drives. So it's actually just renamed. However, if you do have any links to those specific team drives, just because of the verbiage in the URL, you may have to rename them from that team drive URL aspect to shared drive URL. So just kind of a heads up on that. All right. So with that, like I said, it's not going to affect any of the functionality in it. But in that upper left corner, you're now going to notice that Team Drives as a name will be changed over to Shared Drives. Thanks everyone and have a great rest of your day. This is Gary the Google Guy signing off.